Okay, these cookies are done now. What happened was I didn't add liquid to this, so it didn't spread out. And if you don't want to add liquid, this is what they'll look like. Nice little fluffy muffin type cookies. And then I do have some in the oven that are ready to come out. And these are my chocolate chip cookies. And what I did was added just a little bit of liquid to them. And I went ahead and mashed them down just a little bit. And these are going to be really good. If you have vanilla ice cream, these are going to be absolutely delicious. Oops. And you just put them on a cooler. I turn off the oven. And usually they're at 200. The internal temp should be 200 always when you're baking. Rule of thumb. And basically, and that's it. And you have your lovely cookies. Are healthy. They don't have that much sugar in them. They're low fat. And they're a good little treat. Okay. Alrighty. You should try them.